We installed the windows and doors into this luxury home several years ago. So when the homeowner heard of exterior spaces, it was an obvious solution for them to come visit us again in Leeds, look at our bioclimatic pergolas that we can offer and see exactly what would complement their home perfectly. The popularity of these products is really driven by creating light and giving more outdoor space. The great thing about the bioclimatic pergolas, such as the one you see behind me here, creates so much more extra usable space. It seamlessly integrates into both the garden and the house. We can add glass screens, zip screens, shutters, which means you can use it for 12 months of the year, whether it's raining, whether it's sunny, regardless of the British weather. By having a bioclimatic pergola, it really feels like it could be an extension to the house itself. On this bioclimatic pergola, we've gone for a two-tone effect. So the customer wanted a darker grey for the actual body of the structure of the pergola itself, and a lighter colour to enhance the light that would come through the roof. The automated features that we've got on our bioclimatic pergolas are superb. We have different lighting options, and you can dim the lighting as and when you require. We have operated louvers in the roof itself. You can have heaters, you can have speakers. It's really customizable, it's fully bespoke, and it's completely down to the homeowner.